fit any assassin din and your friend saying mechanic. Zana prophet kumichacha, my sister me YouTube no, baby I should be a change your floor and I'm about too much GH. Share na prophet kumichacha me so me share.
This be your boy, Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what Mankind, and the other names. The Dini de Brave, and this be what matter come. You know, say this country where we dey inside, we get constitution where it govern we. The constitution where it govern we be say, if you be citizen for this country insider, if you do what, if you vote, if you right, when you go vote to her, if you know your decision, you go spy the person. Where you know say obey mampenia or the nyama papa be man the country, you know. That be what you be citizen and for watch. The matter where you can't be say where this matter you blow my mind. I read the story where I see this story I say this life where we dey inside need no be easy. It be something where people take this word and say it be funny word, where some people to take them serious word, where some people take them say them go laugh, where some people to take them say them go hate. The matter where you can be say, some shoddy be where you be strong MPP. Where the bell am patience. That be the shoddy in name. You talk say if NDC come power pan there, make them cut in clitoris no for there. You know I go fit see the shoddy no in picture for the screen in top. This shoddy where you thought that thing no brother man. The shoddy need make serious so. We go where and make investigation about this girl where I go in Facebook account inside where they bear the name no for there be. I'm a patient, papa no. The show didn't make serious to the extent say, you know, in nani go make NDC in the camp power. Because he there, he be full supporter. I don't know say you where you go vote give you all there meaning. Say you know where you go talk what we now we go do no. I don't know. When you check like the way the shot need do no, or the shot need make you know, it's just like in constituency inside where she did not all one or a strong MPP near or what baby or anything or one. Where this thing a tap where aspire and say, hey, this life way they inside need you know be easy. Clitoris where that they give you. So of political party, if another political party come out, make them cut it top. He say the way talk be cheap no, where we did this word inside no. Talk now where we dey talk no, it be now where they bring blessings to our life, where they bring curses to our lives. As a young girl where you can't talk, the politicians know where them did this country inside Ghana here. Make I talk you something. Them know what he did that my mind in this I see. When some means be where they go do, where they go do, don't go get votes no, they go do. They will give us big promises. Say then come and they go do. Then come on. If the thing need be 10 promises, say they go do it. By the time in time you go reach and that 4 years you go reach you will go spy inside no. 5 staff not the person no do. According to me, my research where I make. Where they use the people where they did the communities inside no to get that thing. They go fit talk you something say, oh, especially if your road no good that maybe out and or nya sa kwan nya o MP our area which market so who vote mana e kwan de oba be kwan kama or the asphalt ni bibia be go or the street light ba be bo na kro no e kama. The man go talk all these sweet words show you. So if you go vote give this man pay where this man can power pay. They check like the constituency inside in the crowd. They search this man, this MP now. You know you go see him. It be lies so where they lie. See communities where they Ghana here. Plenty communities where they Ghana here. The capital town make I use Greater Accra because it be in where we dey inside. Go spy some places. Ablekuma there no. It rain our brother man. It be something. You rain power you go spy there. Ablekuma there na Delta there no. Accra here we had the talk. It don't be easy. But we get MPs where we the vote give them where they come power. But then come a yawa. Omumbe actually. You say the road no good. Pena then go bring caterpillar make them drink. But if you want our own money to every people, we they take pay you people, make you do this thing, give us. Want our own taxes. If you know they pay taxes, they not go pay you people. If we now want our money where we they take give you people, make you do road and things, give us to her. We talk to her, you people know they do give us. You see right now we they go vote to 7 December. No. You see the way then they go touring. You now your presidential candidate, you know. You see the way then they go touring for the regions inside now. Because they want the vote, then come back. I don't know say if they come now they my ears no, then they watch them talk no, they forget that. And yet me am one to me trust. Now me dream one sa na yam one. Ghana ye o baby wa Ghana ha. Clean water no dey Ghana here. But we get politicians where they get sugar coated mouth way and they talk every day from A to what to Z. See right now, I'm a baby they talk. I say I'm a basso pan there. In chat the clitoris now. Where you know be God. I mean the head then it's see him. If you know they just talk something just like that. If you know how you go talk, because social media no, it travel what far. This be the matter where you come, where me flambo. I do my mind say, if I can't talk you, what you people. So let me leave you comment. Your comment may be very, very necessary. You comment now, advise the team be where you want to talk on. Talk for inside. If you need, you go on a social media platforms now. No one like, no one share your videos. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what? Work. Bow, bow, bow.
Yo, too much GH nie. Ghana for, Ashe for, Etie for. Onipa bi a won subscribe e wo too much GH no. Subscribe wo na ehintasem. Ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so. Ena ye de bremu. One God nie. The only one God in GH. Eho ana de bia mehwe. Abroche for, ene Ghana for. Mo mo wiasa fa na ina. Me recommend emamo. Too much GH.
Too much GH. Me did say Japan. A prepare and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH. Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo, we betun afem the great tempo. Mbrenbren, won me nkan woni ehwe Too Much GH. Too Much GH. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye fire.